work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work, 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 work. Diamonds all on my ring, nigga. Gold watches, gold chain, nigga. 100,000 champagne, nigga. Yeah, my money insane, nigga. Yeah, I'm making it rain, nigga. But I was just on a plane, nigga. Buying gear, flying here. Fuck what you heard, it's my time of year.
This is Sandy. Sandy likes to be rubbed a lot. Or sucked. Sandy likes to be sucked. Or sucked. Or maybe just one of these. Maybe just one of those occasionally. But as you can tell, she just likes to lay out there.
Right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink. But I'm still growing up, and my family here, and they rolling up. So the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is
Play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work.
work, 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 work. Hop your pretty ass up in this fucking car. Bitch, I'm out this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy rounds, but now we buy the bar. Last year they had to ask, now they know who we are. Ball shit, walk in the building, I own shit. You can tell about who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, nigga talking about.
Hi, thanks for watching our video. I'm Jane. I'm Sam. I'm Gabby. We hope you liked it. If you guys want to see more of us, comment, do whatever else you YouTubers do, subscribe, anything. We will seriously do anything you guys want.
Don't forget to comment lots of songs for us to do.
Yeah, different ideas. We'll have like special guests. Sandy. We do
country.
We do all kinds of stuff. Like whatever you guys want, like we'll make
Just
it.
not opera because that's like boring.
Yeah, I can't do opera. Can't do opera. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys have fun. Three Musketeer bitches out.
Yeah.